In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily summarize your notes or documents using Notion AI on your computer. If you ever find yourself with a long piece of text, whether it's meeting minutes, lecture notes, or a lengthy article, this feature is a real game changer for turning information into digestible summaries in just a few simple steps. First, let's start by opening Notion. So on your PC. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Notion workspace. Take a moment to make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use Notion for both personal and work-related projects, so you don't accidentally end up editing the wrong documents. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the specific page that contains the document or the text you want to summarize. You can do this by browsing your sidebar or searching for the page name at the top. When you're on the right page, scroll through to find the exact section or paragraph that you'd like to shorten. Now with your mouse, click and drag to highlight the text you want summarized. You can select as much or as little as you like. Notion AI will work with any amount of text you choose, whether it's a single paragraph or several pages. Highlighting the right segment ensures that the summary generated will focus solely on the material you're interested in. As soon as you highlight the text, you'll notice an Ask AI button appearing just above your selection. Go ahead and click on this button. This feature is designed to be quick and accessible, right where you need it, so you don't have to look through complicated menus or remember any shortcuts. A menu will pop up with different options you can use. In this menu, look for the search bar or browse through the list to find and click on the option that says Summarize. Selecting this prompt tells Notion AI exactly what you want to do with your highlighted text. After you click Summarize, all you need to do is wait a moment. Notion AI will get to work analyzing your text and generating a concise summary. Depending on the length of the selection and your internet speed, this should only take a few seconds. Once the summary is ready, you'll see it automatically inserted below the text you highlighted or in a spot you choose within the page. You can now review the summary to ensure it captures the main points, and you're free to further edit or move it wherever it suits your workflow best. That's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can efficiently condense lengthy information and keep your Notion pages organized and easier to review, saving yourself a lot of time and effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for maximizing your productivity with Notion AI.